Hey everybody, this is Mark from the Geek Church here, and today we got a special product here with the Light Therapy and LED Floor Lamp H6 for indoor use by this company, Glowrium. Yeah, we're going to be opening this up, putting it together, and then trying it out right after this. Okay, someone has put together a lot of stuff before. I just want to make sure I know what I'm dealing with here before I start the assembly process. Yes. All right. Okay. Be happy, you are awesome. That's a good start. Okay, so is this the, this looks like a kennel. Oh, no, it's a user manual. Okay, and it shows step-by-step instructions how to do it, so that's good news. All right, we got a warning card, and let's see what's in it here. If I had to suggest, if I had to make a suggestion of any type, oh, okay, this is kind of interesting. Wow, didn't expect this. It almost looks like a shower thing. But yeah, this is clearly where the light source is going to be coming from. And obviously down here, I've got the, okay, I've got the plug-in thing. I've got lots of poles and stuff like this. And, oh, whoa. Hey, check it out. I've got a remote. Oh my gosh, this is getting really interesting. And then down here I've got a stand, but I don't seem to have a free hand to show it to you. I think the best thing I can do now is assemble it while you watch in fast motion. Okay, as you can see, we've got a great light here. Oh, all right, now you can see we got a great light here. And I gotta tell you, that setup time, I could have showed that in real time and you maybe would not have been bored. Anyway, this guy is great. It comes with this remote that I can just turn on and off, like that. And I also have controls here. So I can do this, and I've got control over the settings. And then I've got control over this thing. Oh wow, that gets pretty bright, doesn't it? Yeah, okay, you can see the obvious improvement, and you'll see it when you've got it in your house. Best thing about this remote, it attaches magnetically like that, so you don't have to worry about losing it. That's kind of awesome, isn't it? Now, woo, okay. I highly recommend getting one of these things because man, it's, you shine a light in a dark place, goes a long, long way. In this case, it's gonna make your home feel a lot more homey, believe me. Okay, and that is our review of the Glowrium Light Therapy LED H6 lamp. And it's doing such a good job, I promote it to my assistant. Well, okay, but it does do an awesome job lighting, doesn't it? Yeah, hopefully that didn't mess with my green screen too much. Okay, as for the price, it's about $109.99, and it's a pretty solid light. I highly recommend going down there and getting this. Oh, fully adjustable too. Yeah, I didn't really highlight those, did I? Anyway, this is Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, and I'm signing off.